Hey y'all, I got sent over a weed whacker. Well, they're calling it a lawn mower, but it's a weed whacker. We're going to get it opened up and check it out and see what all we have in the box here. Bring that camera up a little closer so you can see too. Might be able to see a little better now. What we have here: guard, blades, 2025 new cordless grass trimmer. Have our blades here. What that looks like, because it ain't round. I thought it was round, but I can feel that it's not round. Well, little edger blade. Now this is a circular blade here. I can feel that. You want to see it? Trimmer line, safety glasses, gloves, hardware here, a little tightening wrench, 2 batteries. These are 21 volt, 3 amp hours, charging cord, and our cutter itself. Okay, now see how this works. Bring that around there. Looks like the hole's over here, so spin that around. Push that in. There we go. Get lined up there. Not bad at all. Looks like it has a rotating head. Just push the button. We'll rotate that head for edging or weed eating, whatever you needed to do. We got a handle. Get the handle put on here. Then we can slide that on there. So then we can take this and slide it on here. It's gonna fit snug, that's for sure. Just put back on there. Let's see, right in here. We can move this once we get it figured out how we're gonna get it set up. Plastic grip. Has instructions, tell you how to put it all together here. Right now, I'm more interested in the trimmer line than I am the blades, because I need to do some weed whacking. Guess we should put our guard on first. Gonna have a screw right there, so we'll take that screw off, and then they'll put. Actually, it'll go this way. It's nice that they send the tools that you need. Okay, got that on there. There's different instructions for the different things you're going to do. The wind is blowing pretty good, so hopefully everything is coming out on the audio. Not the easiest way to spool a reel, but it's the way they say to do it. I can't say I'm crazy about this design, but it may work really well. We'll see. There we go. Got that on there. Supposed to have put this on first, but we're a little out of order here, but that's okay. So actually, the open area is going to get face down. We'll put this on there, and it'll fit around this little ring, that inside ring. There's a slot adjust for that. We'll take that, put it there. Take this and put it here. This and put it here. These will turn counterclockwise to get it tight. You take your little tool right here and put it in the slot to hold that original part that we put in there to keep it from turning. You want to make sure you get this good and tight. Now it says we're supposed to put this guard on here. It should go like that. Anti-collision ring. Go right in those little holes right here. Just like that. Like that. Put a battery on here, see if we got any power. Right here, there is, right there is a button. You can push that to see how much power you have in your battery. Seem to have plenty of power to get started. Let's see. Well, I hear it making a noise. Yeah, I think we might have this on upside down. Let's take the battery off of it and flip it around and see what we got then. Okay, now let's try it. Seems like it's rolling a lot easier. I think what was wrong is the strings was hitting the wheel and kind of putting it in a bind where it wouldn't go. So we should be in good shape now. Oh, look at that. That was what was wrong. Sounds like it's got some power. Let's see how good it does on some thick weeds over there by the storage shed. Alrighty, well, as you saw, it did a pretty good job. My only thoughts on it that are a little bit negative is the shaft is pretty short and you have to lean over just a little, but it's not too terribly bad unless you have a lot to do some weed eating. Of course, if you got a lot, you're going to probably have a big gas weed eater. This is for like smaller areas. It does have the steel blades for cutting through some thicker brush. It ate right through that thick grass. You saw how well it did. I like the adjustable head on it. The handle here is adjustable. With the 21 volt batteries with a 3 amp hour, they ought to last a pretty good while. Now, I'm not going to be able to tell you how long they'll last because I could probably do my yard and the neighbor's yard and the next yard before that battery goes dead. And if it does go dead, you got another one. So 2 batteries. 2 different blades, actually 3, counting these and these 2. Safety glasses, pretty much everything you need to get started. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours if you feel so inclined to do so. Also, if you feel inclined to do so, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Kind of shows YouTube that you're enjoying the video. And if you really enjoy the video and you want to see a lot more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too while you're clicking buttons. I'd appreciate that. Overall, I think it's a nice little electric weed eater. I got really no complaints other than the shaft being a little bit short, but that's it. No other complaints. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.